Hi, I'm Samantha Clayton, and this is a 10-minute high-intensity interval workout. We've got 10 exercises, 40 seconds on, 20 seconds off. I'm here with my workout team. Let's get ready to go. First exercise is high knees. In 3, 2, 1, let's go with high knees. Drive those knees up. Make sure you're using your arms, driving those arms, really pushing up. Just 40 seconds of hard work. Keep it going. Few seconds to go. 3, 2, 1. Here you go. You have 20 seconds rest. Shake it out while I show you the next exercise. Next exercise is a lateral step with a jump shot. We step over to the side, come back to the middle, jump shot, over to the side, back to the middle, jump shot. Are you ready? 3, 2, 1, over we go. We step, you shoot. Keep it going. It's a total body move. Working the arms, working those inner thighs, working the glutes. As you go down, focusing on keeping that chest up. Keep it going. Just give me a few more. Give me one more. And take a rest. Shake it out, shake it out. Okay, you've got 20 seconds to rest. Let me cue you up for your next exercise. We're getting down onto the floor into mountain climbers. Plank position, 1 foot's forward. Mountain climbers, driving those knees. Jump down into position. And let's go, mountain climbers. Drive that knee towards the chest. You want to make sure that your shoulders and wrists are aligned. You're driving that knee up towards the chest. 40 seconds, you can do it. Drive, working that core, working the glutes. Keep it going, keep it going. Drive those knees, work those abs. Give me 3 more. 3, 2, 1. Come back up to your feet. Take a nice deep breath. Okay, our next exercise, really athletic. We're gonna be going to one side, driving the knee. We go 1, 2, drive the knee. 1, 2, drive the knee. Are you ready? Are you ready? Here we go. 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, drive. 1, 2, drive. Really driving that knee up. Right now, you're challenging your core. You're working your balance. Like a football player. Athletic HIIT workout. Come on, you can do it. Push through. You got it. Drive that knee. Come on, last few. 1 more. Back to the middle, rest it out. Shake, shake, shake. Okay, this is our 5th exercise, which marks the halfway point. We're gonna sit down into a squat. You're gonna jump with a turn, back to the middle. Jump with a turn, back to the middle. You got it? Jump, turn, you got it? Perfect, sit down first, here we go. And turn, back to the middle. Finding that rhythm. So as you're doing this exercise, you wanna make sure you're sitting down in your glutes. You're adding in that turn, dynamic movement. Really push, try get a little bit of height. It's perfect, work those glutes. 40 solid seconds of exercise. Woo, and then we enjoy that 20 seconds of rest. To the middle, one more, and shake it out and rest. Woo! Our next move, one of my favorites because it makes me feel like I'm dancing. Boxing move, speed bag. We drop and we add that little hop. So you can pretend you're a boxer, you can pretend you're dancing. Either way, work those arms, work the shoulders, and add in that hop. You ready? 3, 2, 1, get the arms going. Down we go, and hop. Really driving up, getting some height. Keep those arms working. That way you're training the shoulders. 40 seconds of work, you can do it, keep it going. Really working those arms. Always keeping that chest up, chin up, keeping that smile. You're almost there. Give me 5 more seconds. 2, 1, and relax. 20 seconds to rest. But while we're resting, I'm going to show you the next exercise. Next exercise is on the floor. Focus working our triceps. Fingertips are facing the glutes. Heels are on the floor. Pushing the body up, bending the arms, kicking it out. Get down to the floor, guys. Here we go, push up. Bend those arms. And here we go, left leg. Kick it out. Keeping those arms bent. Activating those triceps. You've got it. Keep your core tight. Leading with the heel on those kicks. Feel that burn in the triceps. Nice bend in those arms. Feel them working. In 3, 2, 1, and rest. But come on, guys, let's get back up to your feet. You do the same. Get up, it's time to work. Couple seconds to breathe. Next exercise, super easy. One of my favorite athletic moves, butt kicks. Heel to glutes. Counting you in. In 2, 1, let's go. Butt kicks. Heels to glutes. You've got it, heel to glutes, driving those arms. Come on, guys. Look what 10 minutes can do. I'm sweating, I'm out of breath. They're smiling, but trust me, they're feeling it just like you are at home. Couple more seconds, you can do it. In 3, 2, 1, and take a rest. Our next exercise is amazing. It's really gonna work your core. We're gonna drop it to the floor. Let me demonstrate what's next. Drop into a plank position. Shoulders, wrists are aligned, feet are back. Side plank. Let's work the chest and back with a push-up. Side plank. Are you ready? Drop down for me, find your position. Into position, here we go, side plank. And push up. Side plank. And push up. Now at home, if you are not used to doing that, it's okay. You can drop to your knees. You can do a push-up from your knees and just do a reach. And reach. Every exercise we do, you can be modified. Dropping to your knees, it's fine. Just work to yourself. As you come over, really reaching that arm up. Full push-up, chest to the floor, elbows are going out to the side. Give me 3, 2, 1, and relax. Come back up to your feet for me. Ooh, give me a high five right there. Looking good. One more exercise. We've done 9, you've got 1 left. Our next one, super dynamic. You're gonna sit into a squat. You're gonna jump forward and you're gonna shuffle back. Are you ready? At home, step away from your screen. Sit, jump, shuffle it back. Sit, jump, and shuffle. So with this exercise, you're using your arms for a little bit of momentum. You're really sitting back on those heels, driving forward. You're working the glutes. We're getting in some cardio work. This is your last move, you guys. Push it out. Last move, you got this. Come on. Give me 3 more. That's 3. That's 2. I know you're feeling it. Last one. Great job. That was your 10-minute interval training. You've done 10 exercises. You've worked your cardio, you've worked your muscles, but you know what? You need to hydrate your body. I'm sweating. I know you're sweating too. And hydration is one of the keys to keeping your body right. So get drinking.